The Polk Audio Signa S3 is a feature-packed soundbar that brings impressive audio performance at an affordable price point. One of its standout qualities is the powerful, punchy sound, a hallmark of Polk's reputation for quality sound systems. Packed with features like Chromecast, Google Assistant, and Bluetooth connectivity, the S3 offers an abundance of options to enhance your listening experience. The soundbar also includes specific settings to boost dialogue clarity, making it an excellent choice for music lovers who want a rich, immersive audio experience. However, while the S3 excels in music performance, its movie playback leaves something to be desired. Though it still performs decently, the S3 lacks the finesse and style required for more cinematic experiences. Compared to other soundbars in the same price range, it doesn't deliver the same level of depth and detail when watching movies or TV shows. This is a significant downside for those looking for a soundbar primarily for home theater use. Still, for everyday TV watching or listening to music, the S3 delivers solid performance. In terms of value for money, the Polk Audio Signa S3 is hard to beat. It offers a range of smart features that are typically found in higher-end models, and the sound quality is satisfying for casual users. But it's clear that while the S3 is versatile, it's better suited for music rather than movie enthusiasts. Overall, the Polk Audio Signa S3 is an excellent option for anyone seeking a feature-rich soundbar without breaking the bank. But if you're specifically after cinematic audio quality, there may be better choices out there.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.